Hi guys, let me show you how to change wallpapers on your iPhone 15. So for this we have two options. First one is more simple, we just need to press and hold the lock screen, and as you can see we need to unlock it to edit, so I'm just gonna enter my password, and now we can see this button to customize. We can choose lock screen or home screen. Let's choose lock screen for now, and now on the top of the screen we can choose widget. Also, we can change the font and the color for the time. Just tap any other option from the list. And here we can add another widget, for example, this weather widget. Now we can also select depth effect on or off. And also we can choose appearance. We have three options: automatic, light, and dark. After you're done, just tap the start button. And now let's change the wallpapers. I'm gonna tap the plus, and here we can find many options for the wallpapers. And also, we can choose our own photo for the wallpaper. Just simply select this icon, choose any photo from your gallery, and now you can also pinch to resize this photo and choose an effect, natural, black and white, and so on. If you want to add this photo, just simply click this add button and it will be added as your lock screen, or you can also set it as wallpaper pair, like this. The second option, you can do just the same through the settings. Let's just enter the password, open settings, and here we just need to find this wallpaper section. So select it, and now we can choose add new wallpaper and do just the same theme. For example, let's choose this fish emoji wallpaper and simply tap the add button. Now we can customize home screen, so let's do it. I'm gonna select this option and let's set our own photo for the home screen. Just tap the down button and here is how it looks. I'm gonna confirm it, and that's it. Now you know how to change wallpapers on your iPhone 15. Hope this helped. Thank you for watching.